Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to create a smooth fade to black effect in Canva. First, click Create, then select Use Videos. Choose a landscape video format, and next, go to the editing tools to customize your video further. Follow the prompts to complete your project. In the Elements tab, select Videos. Click your desired video to add it to your design. The video will appear, ready for customization and editing. Play the video, then add a black screen in the desired section by selecting the timeline area and inserting a black clip from the Media or Effects panel. Press S on your keyboard to split the image or video at the playhead position. This allows you to edit segments independently. To delete the second part, click Delete. Then, click Add Blank to insert a blank section where you can add new content or make further edits as needed. Use Transition Match and Move, then increase the duration to lengthen the effect smoothly. To create a slower transition, start by painting the white area carefully. This technique helps achieve a smooth blend in your artwork. Play the video to preview it. Notice the background has completely changed, enhancing the scene. This adjustment creates a consistent and polished look across your project, improving visual appeal and focus. Next, change the background color from white to black by selecting the color option and choosing black from the palette. This updates the background instantly. Play the video to see how to apply a fade to black in Canva. Click Share, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the video quality to ensure the best final result. Your video will now include a smooth fade to black effect. Now you know how to create a smooth fade to black transition in Canva and subscribe for more quick tips.